Okay, in order for us to solve this, we're going to use the calculator, and we're going to use a one-prop z-test, but before we can do that, we need to know what x is going to equal, because that asks us for x in one-prop z-test. So, remember, x equals n times p, so in this case, x is going to equal 703, 703. Let me make that look like a 0, so in case we look back at this. Alright. That looks better. 703 times 0.1593, because that's our P. And let's bring up the calculator and see what that equals. Point 1593. That equals 111.9879. So we're going to round that up. Remember, we round it up to 112. So our x in this case equals 112. Okay, now as I said, we're going to use the calculator to solve this. We're going to use the one-prop z-test. So we will begin by doing that. Let's clear this out. Remember, it's stat tests. Arrow down to number 5, one-prop z-test. Enter. Our P equaled 0.2. Our x, which we figured out n times p, is 112. Our n, which they gave us in the problem, is 703. Our p is less than, so we need to arrow over to less than. Let's hit calculate and see what we come up with. Alright, so our p-value is 0.0035. And you can see that right here. 0.0035. That is our p-value. The p hat underneath it is 0.1593, which we got in the problem. So make sure you take the first p, 0.0035. So p-value equals 0.0035, and that is letter D. Letter D. That is the correct answer.